Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add admin on Instagram. So first, go to Meta Business Suite, then navigate to the business settings section or open this link business.facebook.com. Under Meta Business Suite, go to the bottom and click Settings. Click People. Now, in the right corner, click Add People or Add. Now, select Admin Access and click on. Click on Next. Then, select the Instagram account you want to give access to. Click on Invite or Send Request. This person should now receive an email from Meta where she can or he can accept your invitation to become the admin of the Instagram account. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!